Hello guys, this is pianist Samuel. I was just cleaning up my piano 670. Some of the buttons of the keys were refusing to play the melody. So I decided to open it, and you can see I've just cleaning up, and you can see this one is not working and this one is broke. I'm gonna show you how to fix them in a good manner way. You can see this one is already out of service, but you can fix it, yeah? So I had some other issue here, but I have fixed them. So I'm about to show you how to do it. Just wait. Pause, boy. Una pause. Yeah, this is time 2. I'm cleaning up. These things, they need to be cleaned up, you know. Better music, you must pay some visit and to know how the keyboard looks inside. As for now, I'm just returning this one. If you have any issue, you can contact so that we can show you how to clean them for free. This is the work of God. You don't need anything, you know. Yes. Shot 2 off. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. So I'm just returning it, but I will show you how to fix this one. This problem has been causing some keyboardists to stop playing the piano because of the noising that it returns. Those issues most of the time comes when dust gets inside the piano. That one go. Yeah. I'm just returning this one. Let me show you how we do it. Slowly. These things don't need much of energy. You do them slowly by slowly. Yeah, slowly by slowly. Yeah.
We're going to show our gratitude with the attitude of gratitude. We're going to push our hands up no matter how we're feeling. You know, sometimes we've got
this one is refusing to pray.
Some of the big things,
we're gonna
simple
fix them. We're gonna fix it.
You know, that breath that you just took, that was a miracle right there. The drink of water,
burning up.
sunshine when it licks
And as you can see, cameraman, come this side. This machine has a lot of system. You see the bass line, you know. The speaker has the bass spacing. You know, this is one of the best keyboard that produce a beautiful sound and a good sound, you know. Now this is one of parts of the motherboards, and if you want to fix the keyboard but you see you have issue in motherboards and you are not professional, please don't hesitate to call the fundi to fix for you, because there are some things you cannot open through because they are out of your knowledge, you know. But for here, this is supposed, every keyboard is supposed to know how to clean the keyboard, you know. This is our djembe, this is our office, this is our everything, guys. Yeah, that 3 go. How to open the screws slowly by slowly, guys. Slowly by slowly, without effort. I don't put ugari here. You're gonna break the keyboard, and you know the bastards. For now, these 670s are going to 100 and something. When you do that, there are some locks here, and you put when you open it, easy, and you see that 4 is taking the No need to buy a big camera, you know. We are using a 120, and you see the picture are good, the video are good quality, you know. So after you clean up and you see there are no dust, you return it back. So this is the one which I told you that it's not working, and this now it's working. You see, easy. Brother Stephen, we have Brother Stephen here, the servant of God in the Bible. Brother Stephen, the servant of God in the Bible, one of the Sebenest, you know. He came from Congo and he landed in Nakuru. People in Nairobi, they normally say that people in Nakuru, they don't know how to pray Seben. Come and try us. We are one of the Motokubwas. At 5. Now we are fixing it. There, that's good. As you are heading somewhere. There were 7 keys that refused to pray, but now we have fixed. One of them is this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Now we are heading in a good path. Yeah. See how the dust is. You create this is the difference between this one and this one. So Brother Steve, just our number 7 is refusing to pray. You know, number 7. It's easy. Just open the keyboard in an easy way. Don't put effort, because they need lots of cuddling and a lot of careless. Be careful for them, you know. At 5. Yeah, we are just now finishing our settings. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, they need lots of caring and avoid dust. Things that make us to disagree with the church members is dust. When they clean the church, sometimes they direct the dust to the instruments, and that's the problem we now face. Easy cafe. This is 670. See the motherboard. This is one of the power speakers. Best instrument. Yeah, fixing it. Yeah, come on, guys. You know. Now they are doing all. Is that cameraman? Easy. And yeah, too. Really bad. No. Not putting Ugari. Put it back. Have you make sure that the 7 is working? No, you do like this. I've locked it. First of all, you see? And then you press it. Yeah, it's working. Number 7, you see? Do you have any problem with me? What's your problem, bro? Yeah. They are working. Let us pause them. Now you have seen This one.
I have to pull this one right back to the very top again. My brother goes by the name of Darren Grant. I think his wife is in this one. Brother Darren, are you there? Alright, family, we're ready. Let's go.
See that, brother? Okay, we're gonna fix them. Cut off.
In and through every situation, you must learn to pray, fam. Ready?
Okay, this one. No problem. We're gonna fix you. We're gonna fix you. We're gonna fix you. Which one? Another one. Okay. So gonna fix here.
Wave your hand like a wiper. Let's go crazy for God.
What are you saying, brother? You know I have friends in Mumbai.
Yes, fam.
Yeah, they are now good.
Time to pray, time to fast.
Now let me show you how they work. If you now come and see, this is the gum now. It's stuck on the key. Yeah. If you want to know the name, just text me. I'm gonna show you. This one is the best. Yeah. Don't press it until they now come to the sensor. Okay, we have finished now. Yeah, we are just closing our piano now.
Okay, family, brand new just for you.
Yeah.
Sharon Nurse featuring Melly Rose.
Oh,
The
yeah.
greatest, Melly's the greatest. Amen.
Now. Yeah. So now we have just finished. So let us. Okay, Steve. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. That's it. Go.